All right, so I wanted to do a close-up video on this for you, give you some real good detail, and show you. You know, I went across the back of this. I've been doing this my whole life, and I can't even feel any paintwork anywhere on this car. So I don't know if it was just some little minor fender thing in a parking lot or what the deal was, but I can't find a paint line anywhere on this car. I can't feel any repaint on these edges anywhere. On the bumper, on the tailgate, on the trunk. Yeah, if I could identify anything, I'd tell you. Let me see here. I'm going to open this up. See if I see any paint lines or anything here. Yeah, I mean, there's no paint line on this trunk here. Perfect. There's no overspray anywhere. Okay. All the way along this edge on the trunk, you can see it's cornered well, it's rounded. There's no paint line on it. Let's see what's up the side here. Close up on the bumper here. Obviously, these sensors all feel like they weren't repainted around them. I mean, there's no paint lines or anything. Up underneath here, I don't feel a paint line anywhere. So this thing's perfect. The back skirt here, it's just dirt on there is all that is. But it's all glassy and like new. So, yeah, I don't feel anything going. See any indication of any kind of work done at all. So it's a real good job. If anything was done, the car sits perfect. See why in the suspension. Both sides are the same. All right, there you go.